Previously, we saw how to declare arrays and also displayed the elements of the array with this code. Here, if you see, we have used cout 5 times to display the 5 elements of the array. But what if we have 100 elements in the array? Certainly, you are not going to use cout 100 times, right? So what you can do is, you can use loops to display the elements. Let's jump into the code and see it practically. Now let me write a loop. I will write the for, and inside let me declare a counter variable cnt is equal to 0. And I want the loop to repeat 5 times, so I will write cnt less than equal to 4 and cnt plus plus. Now inside the code block I will write cout I of cnt. Now here, when the code will be executed, the variable cnt will have initial value of 0 and then the cout will be executed. Here in cout I have written I of cnt, that is, it will display the cntth element of I, which is 0th in the first case. Then as the value of cnt increases, it will display all the elements of I from index number 0 to 4. Let's run it and check the output. As you can see, it displays elements of the array I. Remember, the CNT's initial value was 0 as the array's index number always starts from 0. So now we have used the loops to display all elements of an array. This is called as array traversal, or in other words, you have traversed or traveled through an array using the control statement loops.